What's up, travelers? Did you know solo travel has surged by over 30% in recent years? More freedom, more adventure, but also the need for smarter safety. Today, we're diving into must-know tips to help you explore with confidence. Because solo travel should be about unforgettable experiences, not avoidable risks. Let's get you adventure ready. Rule number 1. Research like a pro. Before you even book that flight, know your destination inside out. Dive into local customs, laws, and potential risks. Check government travel advisories, read solo traveler blogs, and map out safe and sketchy areas. Learn common scams, public transport hacks, and emergency contacts. This isn't about paranoia, it's about smart, confident travel. The more you know, the smoother your adventure. Rule number 2. Stay connected, stay safe. Before you take off, share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. Flights, stays, and key plans. Send them copies of your passport, visa, and travel insurance just in case. Set up regular check-ins, a quick text, call, or even a social media update. You're not being tracked, you're being smart. Think of it as your virtual travel buddy, ready to have your back if needed. Rule number 3. Stay online, stay safe. A working phone is your lifeline while traveling. Grab a local SIM or portable Wi-Fi so you're never out of reach. Download Google Maps, Translate, and emergency contacts before you go. And don't forget a power bank, because a dead phone in a new city? Not ideal. Stay connected, stay prepared, and explore with confidence. Rule number 4. Stay smart with your stay. Choose well-reviewed, secure accommodations, whether it's a hotel, hostel, or Airbnb. Check the location, safety features, and past guest reviews. Look for 24-hour reception or security for extra peace of mind, and most importantly, trust your gut. If a place feels off, don't risk it. A good night's sleep starts with feeling safe. Rule number 5. Blend in, stay safe. Looking like a local can go a long way in keeping you safe. Dress modestly, skip the flashy jewelry, and keep gadgets low-key. Learn a few basic local phrases. A simple hello or thank you can go a long way. Respect cultural norms and avoid standing out as a tourist. The more you blend in, the less attention you attract, and the more you'll be welcomed as a traveler, not just a visitor. Rule number 6. Travel smart, stay safe. Getting around safely is key. Use trusted taxis or ride-sharing apps, especially at night. Avoid walking alone in dimly lit or unfamiliar areas. Stay aware of your surroundings. If you're planning to rent a car, know the local traffic laws, road conditions, and parking rules. For long drives, share your plans, carry a map, and have backup navigation. A little planning keeps the journey smooth and stress-free. Rule number 7. Keep your valuables safe. A little caution goes a long way. Use a money belt or secure travel wallet for your cash, cards, and passport. Make copies of important documents and store them separately from the originals. In crowded places, keep an eye on your belongings and never leave them unattended. For extra security, use a lockable bag or portable safe at your stay. A bit of precaution now saves a lot of trouble later. Rule number 8. Stay social, stay safe. Meeting new people is part of the adventure, but be mindful of what you share. Avoid giving out details like where you're staying, your travel plans, or finances. Trust your gut. If something feels off, walk away. Stick to public places and don't let anyone pressure you into uncomfortable situations. Your safety comes first, always. And rule number 9. Trust your gut. It knows best. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't ignore red flags. Listen to your instincts and remove yourself from the situation. Your intuition is your built-in safety system, shaped by experience. Trust it, act on it, and never second-guess your well-being. It's always better to be safe than sorry. And that's it. Your solo travel safety guide. Stay prepared, stay aware, and explore with confidence. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe to TVO Academy, and drop your top safety tip in the comments. Safe travels.